Hey, congratulations on making it to this video. My name is Ryan Child, and I just wanted to say thank you for checking out my story and actually taking a step forward, raising your hand, and saying, I want to see how I can make a change in my life. It's funny, but if you think about it, most people in the world just sort of sit in silence, working a job they hate, and they sort of go on living their lives as if there's no other alternative. You know what I mean? But a small number of people in the world actually do make a change. They hit a point where enough is enough and they decide to do something about it, and they take their life back. And those few individuals go on to change everything for themselves, their families, loved ones, and are the owners of this exciting, happy, and fulfilled life. Just a few short months ago, I made this change. I was sick of every morning going to a job that I dreaded. There was always so much uncertainty, and I constantly felt unfulfilled in work, and I wanted to stop working for, the man. I cannot count the number of sites I visited just looking for answers on how to start my own business. Then I came across this video that little did I know would honestly change my life forever. After watching the video that I'm about to share with you, this is when I decided it was time for me to take back control of my life. When you click the button below, you're going to watch a short video with my mentor, 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗥. He's going to share with you a little bit about a 15-day online business challenge that I think you're absolutely going to love. He'll share his step-by-step strategies that helped him build multiple six-figure businesses all online. Imagine what it would feel like to learn how to create from scratch an online business in just 15 days to empower yourself to take your life back and to actually enjoy what you do. So if you would like to see this short video with Dave, then click the button directly beneath this video and you will be sent immediately over to him. Be sure to take immediate action on what you learned, and I can't wait to walk alongside you and help to set you free. God bless.